Well guys, we are here at Pick and Pull, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that we got today. It was Memorial Day and everything was half off, so I couldn't pass it up. So I picked up the actual step side bumper because mine I had to hack up to make it work. So I got that. It's a little rusty, but it's nothing that I can't fix. Also, we got a new tailgate. Now I know what you're thinking. I've given up on the split tailgate option. No, I have not. Don't worry about that. This is just so I can have a tailgate until I get it done. I still have the split tailgate and I'm going to finish it. So we went to Pick and Pull and we got ourselves a new bumper, one that actually is made for the step side and doesn't have this goofy cutout. And we got a new tailgate. The tailgate is going to be temporary until we get our split tailgate done. Oh no, I just realized I didn't have any of the brackets for the tailgate. Well, we'll go back tomorrow, show you what they got, and we'll show you how to take those brackets off. But for now, let's go ahead and get the bumper out, this one off, install it, see how she looks. We need to go ahead and put our tailgate up there. Make sure it fits and it's the correct tailgate. Fingers crossed. Looks like we're good there. We'll get those brackets tomorrow and get that installed. We'll set it aside for now. Okay, let's see if there's anything that needs to transfer from the old one to the new one. I don't think there is, but we'll see. Looks like these are a little bit better condition. We do have a slight bump notch right here. I like that this pretty much continues all the way through. It does have a separation right here in the middle, but the original one has nothing there. It's just cut off right there. So that's cool. Now, even though this has a little bit of rust and all that, we're going to be taking it and sanding it all down and painting it the same color as the body whenever we paint the body. But for now, this will be an awesome way for us to let us know if this is even going to work how we want it to. As you can see, it has quite a bit of rust on the inside here, but it is treatable. It is totally treatable. Eastwood actually makes a kit that can take care of all of this. But right now, we are just going to be installing it for fitment purposes. Whenever we take the truck completely down and start doing rust repair and painting the vehicle, that's when we are going to be doing our rust treatment. Right now, let's just get it installed, make sure it fits right. Now, whenever you undo bolts like bumper bolts or anything underneath the vehicle, I suggest wearing these safety glasses. These in particular can save your eyeball. You don't want stuff falling into your eye. I would know. All right, we got this sucker off of there. They don't make them out of aluminum, that's for sure. Huh, this one's lighter. Now, we didn't use any shims because we want to get it as close as it can possibly get. Whenever it's completely tight and torqued down, then we'll look at it and see if it needs shims. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take our measurements to see if we need any shims on either side. 22.9. Let's go to this side. It looks like it's about 16.7. So we're going to have to use the difference in shims to kick it out just a little bit. So we need about 6.5, 6.6 milliliters of shims. So we're going to go ahead and use 6.2 as our shim pack. Looks like it's about 6.3. That'll work just fine. We got the bumper pulled back, and we're going to install our shim pack there and down there. And we're going to go ahead and retighten our bolts. You pull up on the bumper. Pull up on the bumper. All right. 22.9. 20.8. I think that due to me not having any more shims, that's going to be just fine. So tomorrow I'll take you with me to pick and pull, and we'll go get the rest of the bolts for the tailgate, and we'll go ahead and install that.